Imagine this. Someone buys your ebook at 2 a.m. The payment comes through, and then you have to wake up, find the file, write an email, attach it, and send it manually. Then another customer buys it, and another. Suddenly, you are spending your time delivering a product instead of creating one. What if you could upload your digital product once and let Lnkk handle the checkout, payment, delivery, download access, and even help you collect reviews from your customer? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell digital downloads with instant delivery using Lnkk. I will also show you an important security feature that helps prevent customers from endlessly sharing your download link. Now let's see what the complete customer experience looks like from start to finish. The customer first lands on the product page and can see exactly what they're getting, along with the price and checkout form. They enter their name and email address and then answer the custom questions we added to learn more about their goals and what they need help with. They can enter a coupon code. For this demo, I'm using Save 90. Once I click Apply, the discount is applied. The discount is automatically calculated and the updated price is shown. The customer can now proceed with the payment through the secure payment gateway. Once the payment is successful, they're immediately taken to the thank you page, where they can access their digital product without waiting for an email or contacting the creator. At the same time, the download link is also sent to their email, so that they can access the product whenever they need it. And we're not stopping there. After receiving the product, the customer can also leave a rating and review, giving the creator valuable feedback and helping build social proof for future customers. So from entering their details to applying a coupon, completing payment, receiving the digital product, and leaving a review, the entire customer journey is handled automatically. Let's start inside Lnkk. From your dashboard, go to Store, then Products. This is your digital product command center. Here, you can create products, see what's live, manage orders, and manage your customers. Now click on New Product. Lnkk gives you two ways to sell: built-in checkout or external link. Lnkk to handle the checkout and the digital delivery flow, choose built-in checkout. Now create the actual product. Enter a product title that instantly tells people what they're buying. Add a short description. Select digital download, choose paid, and enter your price. And click Create and Edit. You're now inside the product editor. Start with details. Your title should be clear. Your short description should create curiosity, and your long description should answer the customer's biggest question: what actually am I getting? Next, choose your call to action. Buy now is simple. Get instant access is a great choice for digital download. Download now can work when the context is already clear. Choose the CTA that matches your screen. Now upload your product image. This could be a cover, an ebook cover, a template preview, a course workbook, a checklist, or a product mock-up. Your customer should be able to understand the product visually before they even read the description. Moving to pricing, select paid and enter your price. You can also add a compare price if you are running a promotion, set a quantity limit, or use pay what you want if that fits your. Let's customize the checkout for our digital product. Instead of using a generic checkout experience, give your purchase flow the right context for what you are selling. In this demo, we are selling the 30-day home fitness challenge, so the customer should immediately understand that they are purchasing a digital download. By default, you can collect the customer's basic information, such as name and email. If you need more information, click on Add field and build the exact checkout form you need. You can add fields like phone number, Instagram handle, fitness goal, experience level, and anything you want to add. Now comes to email verification. Enable it for your checkout. You can turn it on here. The customer verifies their email before completing the purchase, which helps you collect a valid email address for digital product delivery and future customer communication. This is especially useful for digital download because the customer email is an important part of the delivery experience. Now comes the magic. Open delivery. You'll see digital files, redirect URL, and manual. For today's tutorial, choose digital files, click Upload File, and upload the product you're selling. It could be a PDF, zip file, ebook, template, guide, checklist, preset, or another digital asset. You upload it once here instead of preparing an email every time someone buys. Now add a helpful thank you message. Don't waste this space. Tell the customer what happens next. For example, thank you for your purchase. Your download is ready. We've also sent the download link to your email. Now let's go through the setting tab. If you sell multiple products, use categorize to organize them. For example, workout plans, meal plans, and ebooks. Here, we have selected our pre-category fitness coaching. Now under terms and policies, you can add your terms and policies, refund policy and privacy policy, so users can clearly understand the rules around their purchase. If your Lnkk account provides default policy options, you can also use those where appropriate. Also add your terms and conditions. Now this is one of my favorite parts. Boost sales. Boost sales lets your digital product continue working for you even when you are not online. First, we have the purchase email. When someone successfully purchases your digital product, you can use an automated email to confirm the purchase and guide the customer to their product. You can customize this message and use available dynamic information such as the customer name and product details. For a digital download, this is a great place to reinforce the delivery experience. Thank the customer, confirm what they purchased, and remind them that their download is available. Next is when purchase is abandoned. Someone starts checking out, enters their details, and then gets distracted. If your available automation setting allows it, you can configure a follow-up email after the customer leaves without completing the purchase. The goal is simple. Bring an interested customer back to the product and give them the opportunity to complete the purchase. And when email verification is enabled, your follow-up message can be based on a more reliable customer email. Running a promotion, click on New Coupon. You can create codes like Welcome 20, Save 50, or in our demo, we are using Save 80. Depending on the available coupon option, you can confirm a percentage discount or a fixed discount, along with limits such as usage cap, expiry dates, minimum spend, and which product the coupon applies to, or apply to all product. Once the product is set up, head into the advanced setting. This is where you can clean up the product page URL. Keep the slug short, clear, and memorable instead of using a long string of random characters. For example, something like 30 Days Home Fitness Challenge is much easier to understand and share than a complicated URL. You will also find your direct running ads or measuring your campaigns. Connect your Metapixel and Google Analytics from the tracking section where available. This gives you better visibility into how people reach and interact with your product instead of relying on guesswork. For creator running paid campaigns, this can be extremely useful for understanding traffic and measuring the performance for your product funnel. Once everything looks good, save and click on Submit. If your product requires platform review, it will move through the applicable review process before becoming publicly available. And once it's live, congratulations! Your digital product is ready to sell. Customers can discover it, pay for it, receive their download, and give you feedback while you manage the entire product from your Lnkk dashboard.